Hello everyone, now here we to introduce this is the iokone, the model E427 quadricle DVD player. It's a volkswagen university DVD player. It's an Android 9.5 system and it supports all of those volkswagen vehicle. Especially it's very popular in South America for Amarok brand. The DVD is had the DSP support and also support the phone ring. We can connect the player with our mobile phone with the Bluetooth, and we use the Bluetooth version is a 4.0 and Wi-Fi 2.4G. We also have the navigation system. Our navigation system is a support GPS, GLONASS, QJSS, and the Beidou system. And it supports the real camera also. We can see our real situation when we now here we can see the situation well on our real camera. Especially our radio is super FM and RDS. Also AM is option. Here have multiple radio station for that. It also can support the voice control. If you had need for voice control, can connect with us. Default is not support the voice control. And also have the picture-in-picture function. The player can connect the USB. It supports the two-way USB connect. So here is the Bluetooth call. We can have free call when we connect the phone and the player will Bluetooth. We also can download those contact information via our phone to the player. And we also can play the music. When we connect our phone to the player, we also can play the music on the mobile phone or on the player either. So here is the app. We can download the various app from Google Play here. And also have the Google Chrome browser, easy for our surfing internet. You see, this is the map in here, the navigation apps, and the YouTube player, the sound recorder, and the phone ring. We can connect the phone ring to with our phone to start chat with our phone. This is our interface, the radio play. This is the radio player, and this calculator, and AJ screen recorder. We can record the thing on this app. So we connect the cam board, the cam box. We can see the original information of the car. So here we go. From this icon, we create this icon. Now here we can see the original information, the gas, the oil,